Hi and welcome to this series of API programming in Python. The idea behind this is to make Python a little bit more interesting, particularly in schools. So you may have learned how to program in Python, maybe look at a string, maybe add some numbers together, put a menu on the screen. But this, I want to actually use the web and make some use of data that's out there on the web. So to begin with, we need to make sure that you're set up now. You're either in school or you're at home, maybe in an office, but you need a few items. The first thing that you're going to need is a browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome for my browser. I've got various different browsers. You may have Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, something else. It doesn't really matter. They do different things, so we may zoom between one and another to sort of look at differences in sort of source code. The next thing you need is some way of writing text files or looking at text files. Now, on your computer, you've probably got Notepad. Notepad, here we go. It's a nice piece of software. It will allow you to do what you want to do. You can write text files in here. That's all, no graphics, no images, and you can save it. Not a problem. But unfortunately, it's very weak. It doesn't change color or help you with the code at all. So I prefer a little program which is free to download, which is called Notepad++. I have it on my desktop here. But I can also start it from my programs, Notepad++. Just download it, install it, and here we go. This is what it looks like. It's got lots more menus, lots more things that you can do with it. It's really, really useful. So that to me is one of the downloads that you should be making. So you need your text editor, which is Notepad. You need a browser, being Google, and also you will need Python. Now, for all of my programs, I'm going to be programming in Python 2.7. There's several versions out. I've got Python 3.4 on here. I am not programming at all in the Python 3 series. I'm only going to program in the Python 2.7 series. If you can program in 2.7, then the chances are you'll be able to program okay in Python 3.4. However, if you learn 3.4, you might find 2.7 a bit of a struggle to get used to. There are some noticeable differences. So I'm going to be using 2.7. So that's the introduction on the software that you're going to be needing. One further thing that I need to explain to you is that the majority of my videos, I explain the code that I go through line by line, variable by variable. If you want to, you can turn the audio off and turn on the subtitling. It should help you a little bit. If you don't want to go through the introduction, or you've downloaded the material, you just want to get on with things, then go ahead, just move forward. Mute me and zoom on to other videos. The first actual programming video that I shall be doing will be a geocoding web service, which you type in an address and it brings back some information. But I'm going to start off with one or two introductions just to put you in the picture.